Okay, so there are three components. After three components, there are two formats. Now moving on further, linkages and preparation. That is preparing the cash flow statement. So when we prepare the cash flow statement, the key equation in use is beginning cash plus cash receipts less payments equals ending cash. पूरी कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट पे आपके पास इनफ्लोज आ रहे होते हैं, आउटफ्लोज आ रहे होते हैं, और वो इनफ्लोज आउटफ्लोज माइनस करके आप नेट कैश या फिर कैश बैलेंस एट एंड निकाल रहे होते हैं. सो बिगिनिंग प्लस कैश receipts less payments leads to ending cash. Now the question is that how are these all items calculated? So let's first go through direct method and then we will do indirect method. So direct method में क्या होता है? Direct method में you take your customer receipts, that is amounts paid by customer. Then you take any other operational receipts that is coming in or operational inflows, and then you subtract any payments, operational payments, like for example salary to employees, taxes, interest or any other operational payments. Now the question is that how do you calculate it? क्योंकि अगर आपके पास कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट है ही नहीं, so you wouldn't know the actual cash figure. Income statement doesn't give you the cash figure. Income statement only gives you the expense or income for the year. That is not equal to cash. Maybe income हो गई हो लेकिन cash नहीं आया हो, और maybe expense हो गया हो लेकिन cash spent नहीं हो. बैलेंस शीट ऑल्सो डज नॉट गिव यू द कैश फिगर, क्योंकि बैलेंस शीट जो है वो आइटम्स के अंदर चेंज बताती है, कितना रिसीवेबल है, कितना पेएबल है, हाउ मच इज योर एसेट्स एंड हाउ मच आर योर लायबिलिटीज. इट वुडंट टेल यू हाउ मच कैश हैव यू एक्चुअली spent into something. So that means in order for you to make cash flow statement or get these figures, you need to calculate them. And to calculate them, you have two statements available, income statement and balance sheet. So that means आपको एक आइटम इनकम स्टेटमेंट में से लेना होगा और कोई आइटम बैलेंस शीट में से लेना होगा, और दोनों की रिलेशनशिप अंडरस्टैंड करके यू विल हैव टू एस्टिमेट द कैश स्पेंड और कैश रिसीव. क्योंकि जब भी कोई कैश ट्रांजैक्शन होती है, वी डिस्कस दैट इट विल ईदर इम्पैक्ट इनकम स्टेटमेंट और इट विल इम्पैक्ट बैलेंस शीट. So understanding the relationship or linkage between these two will help you calculate cash for the period. So like for example, starting with the first one, that is customer receipts. So what is cash received from customers? For cash received from customers, you will pick an account from income statement and you will pick an account from balance sheet. So cash received from customers is related to sales. जब आप sales करते हैं तो फिर cash receive करते हैं. So that means in income statement, sales figure is related to cash received from customers, but it is not equal to cash received from customer. क्योंकि मे बी मैंने सेल करी हो लेकिन कैश रिसीव नहीं करा हो, मे बी मैंने सेल नहीं करी हो लेकिन प्रीवियस पीरियड का कैश रिसीव कर लिया. So this is related but not equal to cash. And then from balance sheet you have accounts receivable item or element. Account receivable tells you that how much is your receivable from the customer. Customer से आपने पैसे लेने कितने. So understanding or learning the linkage between these two will help you understand or will help you calculate actual cash received from customers. How will you do this? So you will simply do this using account receivables T account. So let's say that you have account receivables. Account receivables means the amount that you have to receive from your customer, and it is an asset. So as it is an asset, it will have a debit balance. So let's say that you have to receive $100 from your customer. That is your beginning balance. Now during the year you will make more sales. So when you make sales to the customer, account receivable will increase. क्योंकि अगर आपने और ज़्यादा सेल कर दी तो रिसीवेबल और ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. So let's say that you make sales of $50. So your account receivables increases by $50. Account receivable debit and sales credit. Then customer कुछ ना कुछ आपको पे भी करेगा cash. When customer pays you cash, your account receivable will decrease. So let's say that customer pays you $70. So your cash debit and account receivable credit, that is a decrease. So and ending balance would be 150 minus 70. 80 will be your ending balance. So that means the actual cash paid by customer was $70. So if you have beginning balance, if you have sales, if you have ending balance, you will be able to calculate cash figure. So cash figure will be the adjustment figure between beginning balance, ending balance and sales. Sales की figure कहाँ से आएगी? Income statement से. Beginning balance कहाँ से आएगा? Last year की balance sheet से. और ending balance कहाँ से आएगा? इस साल की balance sheet से. So that means you will pick account receivable from balance sheet. You will pick sales from income statement. और उन दोनों का change देखकर you will be able to calculate cash received from customers. So simply this adjusting figure will be your cash. You have opening balance, you add revenues, you have ending balance. This adjusting figure will be your cash. Or in simpler words, it will simply be your revenue minus increase in account receivable. That is, in other words, or simplifying it would be income on income statement minus change in current asset. This will give you your cash figure, because any income will either lead to cash or will lead to increase in current asset. So if you subtract change in current asset from the income, that will give you your cash. So simply revenues minus increase in account receivable equals cash. What is increase in account receivable? It is ending balance minus beginning balance. Ending balance is 1012 and beginning balance is 957. So 1012 minus 957. This will be increase, and then you will subtract this increase. So increase will be 55, and when you subtract increase, it will be minus 55. So revenue less increase in account receivables equal cash received from customers. अगर आपका कोई भी एंडिंग बैलेंस गलत है या बिगनिंग बैलेंस गलत है तो ये कैश फिगर गलत ये कैश फिगर गलत आएगी. So here is a question. Do this please and tell me what is the answer. How much cash did the company receive from the customer? So you have to calculate the cash amount received from the customers. Okay, so Blue Bear fixtures advertising C is the correct answer. Company reported revenues of 50 million, total expenses of 35 million, and net income 15 million in the most recent year. If account receivable decreased by 12 million, how much cash did the company receive from the customers? So reported revenues were 50 million. That means अगर receivable में कोई change नहीं हुआ होता, so company should have received 50 million in cash. But we have to account for change in receivable as well. So what is the formula for change in receivable of? So what is the formula for calculation of cash? It is revenue from the sales or sales minus increase in account receivables. So how much is the increase? This is a decrease of 12 million. So it is minus increase. Minus increase in other words would mean plus decrease. So add decrease or minus increase. So that should be plus 12 million. That is 62 million should be the answer for cash received from customers. So in direct method, your first item is cash received from customers. That can be calculated using these two accounts from the income statement and balance sheet.